Virtual reality is a fascinating technology that allows us to experience things in ways we never thought possible. However, there are some potential risks to using virtual reality that we should be aware of. One of the most common risks of using virtual reality is motion sickness. The images in virtual reality are constantly moving, which can cause some people to feel nauseous, dizzy, or even vomit. Another risk is eye strain. Virtual reality requires our eyes to focus on a screen that's placed close to our face for extended periods of time, which can cause eye fatigue and even blurred vision. There's also the risk of addiction. Virtual reality can be incredibly immersive and engaging, which can make it difficult to stop using it. Overuse of virtual reality can lead to neglecting important aspects of our lives like work, relationships, and even physical health. Additionally, virtual reality can be isolating. Since we're completely immersed in a digital world, it can be easy to disconnect from the real world and the people around us. Lastly, there's the risk of physical injury. When we're immersed in virtual reality, we're not always aware of our physical surroundings, which can lead to accidents like bumping into objects or even falling. In conclusion, while virtual reality is an amazing technology, it's important to be aware of the potential risks and take appropriate measures to minimize them.